Welcome to Reviews Inside TV. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a vacuum cleaner that promises to change the way you clean, the Dyson V15 Detect Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. This is no ordinary vacuum. It's a powerful, intelligent cleaning tool designed for the most demanding of home cleaning tasks. With its laser illumination and deep cleaning technology, it stands out in the market as a vacuum for those who need something more than just a standard cleaner. The Dyson V15 Detect features a powerful suction system and is designed to handle a variety of floor types, from hardwood to thick carpets. The most striking feature of this model is its laser illumination, which highlights microscopic dust particles on your floors, making sure you never miss a spot. This laser, angled perfectly, casts a bright line across your floor, letting you see every speck of dust in a way you wouldn't have noticed with the naked eye. It's a unique feature that really sets this model apart from others in its category. In terms of performance, the V15 is built to tackle all types of dirt, dust, and pet hair. Whether you're cleaning your living room carpet, your kitchen floor, or your stairs, the V15 is engineered for a whole home deep clean. Its suction power is impressive, with a rating that ensures efficient dirt pickup from any surface. The suction is intelligent, meaning it automatically adjusts to different floor types, providing optimal power where it's needed most. This is especially helpful if you have a mix of hard floors and carpets in your home. The battery life is another strong point. With up to 60 minutes of runtime, you'll be able to clean your entire house without constantly stopping to recharge. Of course, this will vary depending on the power mode and attachments you're using, but with the power-saving trigger, you'll only use the battery when you need it, which helps extend its life. This vacuum's design makes it ideal for homes with pets, offering enough power to pick up all that pesky pet hair, whether it's stuck deep in your carpet or scattered on your hardwood floors. In terms of usability, the V15 is lightweight and easy to handle. It doesn't feel cumbersome, even during extended cleaning sessions. The ergonomic design of the handle makes it easy to grip, and the ability to switch between floor types is seamless. If you've ever struggled with vacuums that are either too bulky or not powerful enough, the V15 manages to find a nice balance between the two. But, as with any product, there are areas where the V15 could be improved. One potential drawback is the noise level, which, while not overly loud, is certainly noticeable when using it at full power. The suction power, though strong, can also be a little too intense for delicate surfaces, so you'll want to be mindful when switching between modes. Another downside is the bin capacity. While the V15 is designed for efficiency, you'll still need to empty the dustbin fairly regularly, especially if you're tackling larger messes. The attachments that come with the V15 are certainly useful, particularly the motorized brush head, which is fantastic for pet owners. The brush head does an excellent job at picking up pet hair and deeply embedded dirt. Other attachments, like the crevice tool, are perfect for cleaning tight spaces, and the upholstery tool is a welcome addition for cleaning furniture or car interiors. Now, let's talk about value for money. The Dyson V15 Detect is priced on the higher end of the spectrum, and this is something you should keep in mind if you're comparing it to other vacuums. However, it's worth the investment if you're looking for top-tier suction power, advanced features like the laser illumination, and exceptional performance on a variety of surfaces. The build quality, combined with the performance and thoughtful design, justifies the price tag for those who need a heavy-duty cleaner. It's especially great for pet owners or people with allergies, given its strong filtration system and pet hair capabilities. When compared to other vacuums in the same price range, such as the Shark IZ462H or the Tyneco Pure One S12, the Dyson V15 stands out in terms of suction power and cleaning efficiency. While both the Shark and Tyneco offer good performance, the Dyson V15's laser illumination in particular gives it a clear edge, especially when it comes to cleaning hard floors. The Tyneco model may offer similar features, but it doesn't match the Dyson's build quality and deep cleaning capabilities. Regarding build quality, Dyson has always been known for its premium design, and the V15 is no exception. The materials feel sturdy, and the entire vacuum is well constructed, from the wand to the brush head. Even the bin and filters are easy to remove and clean, which adds to the overall convenience. The filter system is washable, meaning that you don't need to spend extra money on replacements over time, though it's recommended to replace the filter every year for optimal performance. In terms of maintenance, the V15 is fairly low maintenance, though the brush rolls will need to be cleaned occasionally, especially if you have long hair or pets. The dustbin is easy to empty, and there's no need for cumbersome bags or excessive mess when doing so. If you're wondering about longevity, Dyson vacuums generally have a strong track record for durability, so the V15 should hold up well over time with proper care. The battery life is likely to degrade after a couple of years, but Dyson offers excellent customer support, and replacement batteries are available if necessary. This is important to note, especially considering that the vacuum relies on its battery to provide consistent performance. If customer support is something you prioritize, Dyson's reputation for responsive service is well established, and the V15 is covered by a standard Dyson warranty, offering peace of mind should any issues arise. The Dyson V15 Detect, being a renewed model, is a great option if you're looking to save a little money while still getting the full Dyson experience. Refurbished products undergo rigorous testing and come with a warranty, so you can rest assured you're getting a vacuum that performs like new. So, who is the Dyson V15 Detect best suited for? If you have a large home, a mix of hard floors and carpets, or if you're a pet owner struggling with pet hair, this vacuum could be a great investment. It excels in cleaning all kinds of messes and offers powerful suction, long runtime, and a user-friendly experience. However, if you're on a tight budget or looking for something for light, occasional cleaning, you might find more affordable models to better suit your needs. If you've made it this far, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for more vacuum reviews as we continue to explore the best cleaning tech on the market. Thanks for watching, and remember, the link to get the Dyson V15 Detect can be found in the comments box below. If you've already got one or if you're considering it, drop a comment and share your thoughts. Until next time, keep those floors clean, and as always, we'll catch you with another review here on Reviews Inside TV.